Hi. So I wanted to take all of the words that I had learned in Wanikani and have Google Gemini, or really any AI LLM, create a story that would use those kanji. So I used Wanikani Item Inspector along with Google Gemini, and as an audio bonus, I used Google Translate to get some audio. So I'll show you all how to do that. So what I did is, first off, within Wanikani, I had installed the Wanikani Item Inspector. So you need to install that. Of course, I had to have Tamper Monkey installed to do that as well, and I'm using Google Chrome as my browser. That would work in other browsers as well, though. So back in Wanikani, where I've got the Wanikani Item Inspector installed, that shows this widget here. And it shows a report of items that I've either had trouble learning or that I've learned. So we're going to leverage the export function of that plugin. So here I'm going to go to the box that's marked choose the table you want to display, and I'm going to select all learned items. Okay, that shows the items that I've learned so far, not all that many, but anyway, up in the upper right hand corner, there are export options. And so we're going to export items suitable for word cloud. So it's this cloud looking icon. So I hit this and I'm going to say copy to clipboard. All right, I've got all that copied. All right. Then I'm going to go back over to Google Gemini, and I've already typed in part of the prompt here. But what I typed in is, I'm studying kanji using Wanikani. I want you to give me a story to read based on what I have learned so far. I understand all hiragana and katakana, which is true. And please output the story by itself, then have the translation in the next section. And so that's to keep it from just putting the translation right after each line. So here are the items I have learned. And I'm going to go ahead and paste in the items that I've learned. All right, so that's what the whole prompt looks like. Now I'm going to use the pro version of Gemini, but this would work on the fast version, the free version as well. And of course, this same prompt would work within ChatGPT or Claude or any other AI tool. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and submit this, and it's going to process for a moment. Okay, and it started writing out the story, and so it's a nice little story. Of course could prompt it to ask for something longer. But anyway, here's the story all by itself. First off, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and grab the story itself, and I'm going to copy that, and then I can go over here, and we're going to do the audio portion here. Um, uh, and so I'm going to drop that into Google Translate, paste that. We can get rid of the English bit here. All right, and it will go ahead and I don't think I've shared the audio here, but I can listen to it. All right, and so that's a way that I can listen to that.